Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly fascinating to share with you. An unknown fact about a delicious Brazilian dish called Frango e Passarinho. If you're a foodie or just curious about the world of culinary delights, you're in for a treat. So, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, and let's dive into the hidden gem of Brazilian cuisine. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard of Frango e Passarinho. It's a popular dish in Brazil, loved for its crispy, flavorful, and tender chicken. But, do you know its hidden secret? What makes it so unique and oh so delicious? Well, we've got the answer for you today. Reveal the unknown fact. The secret to Frango e Passarinho's extraordinary taste lies in its name. Frango e Passarinho literally translates to chicken as if it were a little bird. Now, you might be wondering, why in the world is it called that? The truth is, it's all about the cooking style. Show the cooking method. Instead of the usual way of cooking chicken, Frango e Passarinho is made by cutting the chicken into small bite-sized pieces and then frying them until they're golden brown and crispy. This technique was inspired by the way little birds are prepared and enjoyed in traditional Brazilian cuisine. The result? Chicken pieces that are incredibly crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Discuss the seasoning. But the uniqueness doesn't stop there. It's the seasoning that truly elevates Frango e Passarinho to another level. The chicken is typically marinated with a mixture of garlic, lime or lemon juice, and plenty of spices like cayenne pepper and paprika. The combination of these flavors gives the dish its distinctive zesty, spicy, and savory taste. Mention the accompaniments. In Brazil, Frango e Passarinho is often served with traditional side dishes like white rice, black beans, and farofa, a toasted cassava flour mixture. The contrast of the crispy, spicy chicken with the neutral base of rice and beans is simply divine. Share a personal story or experience. I remember the first time I tried Frango e Passarinho in Brazil. The flavors and textures were a revelation. It's a dish that brings people together, and I was lucky enough to experience it with some amazing friends in a little Brazilian restaurant. The combination of food, laughter, and great company made it an unforgettable experience. Deeper dive into the history. To truly appreciate Frango e Passarinho, it's essential to understand its historical roots. This dish has its origins in Minas Gerais, a state in Brazil known for its rich culinary heritage. The people of Minas Gerais have a strong connection to their food traditions, and Frango e Passarinho is a proud part of that legacy. It's a representation of the simple yet flavorful cooking style that has been passed down through generations. Exploring regional variations. One of the fascinating aspects of Frango e Passarinho is how it can vary from region to region within Brazil. Each area may have its own unique twist on the dish. For instance, in some places, you might find Frango e Passarinho prepared with a different blend of spices or served with alternative side dishes. It's a testament to the country's diverse culinary landscape. Unique occasions for serving. In Brazil, Frango e Passarinho is often associated with casual gatherings, celebrations, and family get-togethers. It's a dish that's perfect for sharing, and its versatility makes it suitable for various occasions. Whether you're watching a football game, enjoying a holiday feast, or just having a Sunday family lunch, Frango e Passarinho can be the star of the show. Healthy twists on the classic. For those who are health-conscious, there are also healthier versions of Frango e Passarinho that you can explore. You can bake or air fry the chicken pieces instead of deep frying them, which significantly reduces the oil content while maintaining that irresistible crispiness. Secret tips for making the perfect dish. If you decide to try making Frango e Passarinho at home, here are some insider tips. Make sure to pat the chicken pieces dry before frying to ensure that they get that perfect crunch. Additionally, use fresh and quality spices, and marinate the chicken for at least an hour to infuse it with those incredible flavors. And don't forget the lime or lemon juice for that zesty kick. Invite viewer engagement. Have you ever had Frango e Passarinho? Or perhaps you've tried a regional variation of it? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your encounters with this mouth-watering Brazilian dish. So, there you have it, the unknown fact about Frango a Passarinho, and the secret behind its deliciousness. It's not just about the ingredients or the method, it's the story and tradition behind the dish that make it truly special. If you've never tried it, I highly recommend seeking it out at a Brazilian restaurant or making it at home. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure today. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more hidden gems of the food world, don't forget to like, share, and as always, let us know in the comments if you have any other unknown food facts you'd like us to explore. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.